Sonríe, po. Sonríe. Having our breakfast before we hit the road.
We are traveling.
Barely coming out of El Paso.
Listen, you are survivors. But mostly his son. He's the one that wrote the bullshit.
We're coming out of El Paso, going to New Mexico. First thing, we're already dealing with people that don't know how to drive. Tell them, Andrew.
They just don't know how to drive, man. Look at this. Look at this. Ridiculous.
8 o'clock in the morning and traffic. Right, Andrew?
Why is everybody here? They got no business here. Right? Get out of my road.
Get up. So, finally getting to the outside of El Paso. Any thoughts?
Mexico.
Going into New Mexico?
Land of enchantment.
Any thoughts on the situation?
It is what it is. We're here. We are traveling.
Now let's go. Let's get a word from Toretto right here. Retired.
Toretto. I'm Toretto.
El hermano de Toretto, el Toroto.
Uno es Toretto, yo soy Toronto, Canada.
Toronto, Canada. Well, so we're in New Mexico now. How long is it gonna be this drive? About 6 hours?
Well,
About 6 hours. Going to Arizona, right?
Arizona.
Okay, I'm asking. I'm over here and I don't even know where we're going. You're like, they're taking me.
I'm a hostage.
I'm a hostage.
It says 5.5 hours.
5.5 hours. So we got 5.5 hours of road.
Of course, we're trying to beat the 5.5 hours, right? Like, who actually wants to ride for 5.5 hours? We're trying to get there 4.5 hours.
We're just breaking the law. That's all.
Yeah. Speed limit says 55, we go 70.
Next thing you know.
Actually, speed limit here 75, actually.
Yes.
Yeah, they raise it up. They raise it up.
All right. Going to Arizona. Any comments? Any comments?
Yeah, it's only one of them. Every time it comes with that, you fall asleep. Yeah.
Haters will always be haters. I knew we should take a trip to Columbus.
Hemos parado ahí, ¿verdad? En otra ocasión. Sí. Piedrotas,
Imagine one of those crushes the car easily, though.
Oh, yeah.
Makes that big right there. She's a big woman, you. You're excited like we've never seen rocks before. So we see rocks for like this big.
That's a big road right here.
Yeah, right? The moment we've been waiting for months or probably years. Where's that?
And there's a Chevron right next to us. Let's see how much it gets. Tenemos más de medio tanque todavía. Nice.
The In-N-Out burger.
How are we from here?
Imagine I'm recording right now.
It's over there? Yeah, the bridge is over there. Fuck. So you have to turn right and then turn around. Okay. Yeah.
Oh well, it's whatever.
It is what it is.
It's worth it. There's no roses? There's no Roses Cafe? Steak. He's about to run over somewhere, right? Just to get a burger.
Yeah, I'll run those. Fuck out of my way. We switch spaghetti. The moment we've been waiting for. You guys want a double, right?
Yep.
Yeah. Oh, or you want a triple swap?
I want actually triple. Dude.
There's a quadruple.
There's a quadruple?
There's a 4.
Are you serious?
It's a 4x4. It's called.
What?
Yeah,
What?
4,
Oh, dude.
4 cheese. You want to try it?
Yeah, dude. Okay, might as well. I mean, a 4x4 on a truck in Arizona.
That's not even 4x4.
It's not even 4x4. We'll make it 4x4, right?
Yeah. I would like a 4x4, please. Do you
No,
want no onions on that
Or
one,
pickles.
please. And I would like to make that meal with fries. To drink, Coke.
Coke.
Coke is fine. For my dad, I would like
Ese
a
me
double
gustaron.
double.
Una coque.
That one, you want it with onions?
No.
No onions as well. And a Coke as well for that combo. Or you want something else?
No, just that.
And for myself, I like a 3 meat, 3 cheese combo as well. But for my drink, I would like the pink lemonade.
Okay, and did you want onions on that 3x3?
I do want one. Okay, can I get them grilled, please?
Is the grilled onions?
Like this in an open box or in a bag to go?
An open box is fine. I'm probably gonna eat it before we can get out of this plaza.
So I have a double no onion, 3x3 grilled onion, 4x4 no onion, 3 fries, 2 Cokes, and 1 pink lemonade.
That's correct.
32.28 at the first window.
Oh, okay. Cool. Thank you.
You can pay it right here.
Okay, pay her and shit.
She's gonna say, oh, you want me to go with you for $100?
$100? Yeah, that's what.
Let's go. Let's take a look at the freaking menu from here. It doesn't show right there the 4x4, does it?
No, it's technically a custom order.
Really?
But also, it's there's also a chicken sandwich here that supposedly it's kind of like in the secret menu. I never tried it, to be honest.
We should have asked if it's true or not.
Well, supposedly this one guy tried it.
A chicken
A
sandwich.
chicken burger, I think it's called, or something like that. I'm not too sure. Hello. There you are, Swati.
Oh,
That's
dude.
a 4x4 in the middle. Please. Oh shit.
Four meats.
Thank you very much. Cool.
That's true.
Damn, we're gonna eat this 2 times, right? Look at that. Is there like a certain way we should eat this, or who cares, right? Se me hizo agua la boca.
Okay.
Mm-hmm. Wow, this is good. This is really good. Look at the cheese. Mira. What's that right there?
Wow.
Look at that.
Las papas están buenas ahí.
Mm-hmm. Mm. This is good.
There's a bud
How's the
here in
burger?
the gas station too.
Yeah.
Look at that.
You said what?
Bud.
Are you serious?
It's legal here, technically.
Yeah. Oh yeah, I forgot, right? Hmm.
Out of 10, man. That burger was bomb.
Yeah. 10 out of 10.
Man. 10 out of 10.
Service.
Service was good, fast, efficient. The burger looked very pretty.
And the fries.
I'm still working on them.
And normally we're fry haters.
And normally we were fry haters, yeah. Only burgers.
Only burgers.
Huh.
Eat the bowl.
Hey guys.
Hey guys.
Food was good.
Kind of reminds me of Midland.
And it does, right?
Yeah.
Hazel
Hazel type.
It's called Lindsay.
Yeah, right?
Lindsay.
I was gonna record this one, no, but this window's dirty, so. At least this side is clear. Yeah,
What the bitch?
I go on it.
What?
What? What? But still, it looks really nice.
Yeah, it is a cover box. Yeah, just a cover. That's a little bit, but I'm pretty sure you can turn it a little backwards.
We have the table saw set up right here. We have the dust collector connected to it. We actually extended the table saw. Oh, it's disconnected. Alright, now we got it plugged in. Well, that concludes the end of this video. I hope you guys find it entertaining. I know we didn't show too much of the whole travel. Hopefully next time we can actually experience a little more in the traveling and try different sites that are on the way. This is just the first time that we're trying to actually look for more tools around the area, but hopefully for the future we do this again and have more different variety of tools to look for and different things to do on the trips and different foods that we can try. So if you guys like it, let me know, and I'll see you guys